Starseed of Gaia. If your skin has been changing in ways no one has been able to explain, this message is not arriving by accident. There is a reason your surface has become louder. There is a reason fabric feels different now, why certain rooms seem to touch you before anyone speaks, why sunlight can feel almost intelligent against your body, why cold air, synthetic textures, perfumes, stress, emotion, memory, and even the gaze of another person can register through your skin as if your field has become a living instrument. The Arcturian Council has a name for this. The Galactic Federation has recorded it inside the Free Will archives, and many lightworker bodies across Gaia are beginning to show the same strange sign. The outer membrane is waking before the mind understands what has happened. You may have looked at your hands and felt they were not only hands anymore. You may have noticed dryness, tingling, heat, crawling sensations, sensitivity, changes in texture, sudden awareness of pressure, a feeling that the skin is too awake, too responsive, too alive to be dismissed as ordinary. This transmission does not replace earthly care. Honor your body. Listen to practitioners. Seek help when symptoms are sudden, painful, spreading, or severe. But also understand this. Not every signal coming through the body belongs to the old map. Some signals belong to the field. The Arcturian records describe the skin as the first listening organ of incarnation. Not merely a covering, not merely a boundary, not merely a layer between you and the world. Your skin is the body's primary frequency membrane, the sacred veil where inner light meets density, where your nervous system negotiates contact with the planetary field, where your soul signal decides what is allowed in and what must remain outside. And when a starseed begins a deeper recalibration, the skin often reacts first because the skin is the doorway. This is why some light workers feel as if their body no longer tolerates the same clothes, the same chemicals, the same noise, the same emotional environments, the same artificial light, the same crowded rooms, the same invisible pressure that once seemed normal. The skin begins refusing what the soul has already outgrown. The body says no before the personality has courage to speak. The membrane starts sorting, filtering, rejecting, discerning. And if you have been frightened by this, hear the Arcturian message clearly. Your body is not betraying you. Your membrane is asking to be retrained. Comment the words, "My skin remembers my original signal," not as decoration, but as a frequency command. When you write it, imagine your skin receiving the instruction through every pore, every nerve ending, every subtle receptor of light. You are not begging the universe for relief. You are reminding your body that it belongs to your soul, not to the noise around you. The Galactic Federation's free will law teaches that no field has permanent authority over a sovereign being unless that being's attention, fear, repetition, or unconscious agreement continues feeding the bridge. This is why your skin may react more strongly around certain people, devices, rooms, places, arguments, news cycles, or old memories. Not because you are weak, because your membrane is no longer numb. The old programming called numbness normal. The Arcturian lattice calls sensitivity a return of intelligence. There is a stage of awakening where the third eye receives visions. There is a stage where the heart opens into grief and compassion. There is a stage where the throat refuses false speech. But there is also a stage almost no one speaks about, because it is less glamorous and more intimate. The skin begins to awaken as a spiritual organ. It begins to detect distortion before language. It begins to feel the difference between organic presence and synthetic pressure. It begins to recognize when your nervous system has been carrying a frequency that is not yours. And this can be uncomfortable. You may ask, why now? Why after all these years? Why does my body suddenly respond to heat, fabric, food, tension, light, or touch differently? The answer held in the Arcturian archive is simple and profound. The deeper layers of your field have been recalibrating for a long time, but now the recalibration has reached the surface. The hidden work has become visible. The sealed inner correction has arrived at the membrane. What was spiritual is becoming somatic. What was subtle is becoming physical enough that you can no longer ignore it. Lightworker, this is not a call to panic. It is a call to discipline. A sensitive membrane needs cleaner command, cleaner environments, cleaner emotional contracts, cleaner attention. If your skin has become more awake, your life must become more coherent. You cannot keep exposing a newly tuned instrument to chaotic frequencies and then blame the instrument for trembling. You must learn field hygiene. You must learn energetic sovereignty. You must learn how to seal what is yours and release what never belonged to you. Comment the words, "I seal my frequency membrane in sovereign light," and let that sentence become a line drawn around your field. The act of writing it tells the unconscious mind that your boundary is no longer vague. It tells the body that touch, energy, pressure, emotion, memory, and suggestion must pass through the authority of the soul before entering your system. There is also a digital activation guide linked in the description for those who want to work with this process daily, especially if your sensitivity has become confusing and you need a simple ritual structure to help your body feel safe again. Use it as an anchor, not as a replacement for your own discernment. The real transmission is always inside the field. The guide only helps you remember how to listen. The public grid can only receive the first layer of this teaching. I can name the surface awakening here. I can tell you that your skin is not merely reacting, but recalibrating. I can tell you that the Arcturian protection lattice is already responding when you choose coherence over fear. But the deeper codes are too intense for the open field. The hidden membrane protocol, the anti-harvest geometry behind skin sensitivity, and the protected Arcturian sequence for clearing absorbed frequencies can only continue inside the sealed Patreon transmission. Click the Patreon link now, because the next part opens the layer your skin has been trying to tell you about all along.